Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Football Fusion on mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox app installed on your device. You can find it in your App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. After logging in, use the search bar to find Football Fusion and then simply tap to join a game server. It's that easy to get started. Now, let's talk about the controls. You'll see a virtual joystick on your screen for moving your player around the field. To pass the football, simply tap the dedicated pass button. If you need to speed up, press the sprint button. When you're ready to engage an opponent, use the tackle button. These intuitive controls make playing on mobile very accessible. To excel in Football Fusion, practice is key. Focus on improving your passing accuracy to complete more plays. On defense, learn effective positioning to shut down opposing players. Teamwork is crucial, so try to communicate with your teammates for coordinated strategies. Understanding the different roles and abilities of players will also give you a significant advantage on the field. Finally, let's look at customization and progression. As you play matches, you'll earn in-game currency. Use this to purchase exciting new gear and cosmetic items to personalize your player. You can also upgrade your players' stats to enhance their performance on the field. Keep an eye out for special events, as they often offer exclusive rewards to further boost your game.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.